That attitude's not getting you anywhere. You are a mean little joker. Are you ready for bed? No. That's your curtain rod. Mommy has to put it up when you're not sleeping. Like now would be a good idea, but looks like you're about to be going back to sleep. What? You want mommy? You want mommy? Mommy's got some applesauce. You want some? Alright already. I'll put the camera down so I can pick you up. Say bye-bye. Say bye. Can you say bye-bye? No? Okay.